Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start exercise 2.10 which is related to the word problems. Word problems of differentiation. In the first question, find two positive integers whose sum is 30 and their product will be maximum. So how to find the maximum? That is related to the derivatives and differentiation. So there are two integers, positive integers. Let x and y be two positive integers. He is saying that their whose sum is 30. So according to the condition, sum is 30. This is what it is given in the question, and he is saying and their product will be maximum. So let f of xy or f of x is equal to xy, their product. From here we can write y is equal to 30 minus x. 30 minus x, that is 30x minus x square, or simply write down f. Now this is a function. We have to check that whether it is maximum or minimum, and we have to find their maximum values. So here differentiate with respect to x. So first derivative is equal to 30 minus 2x, and second derivative, that is minus 2. For a critical point, we put first derivative is equal to 0, that is 30 minus 2x is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 15. Putting this x is equal to 15 in this, if we give the equations number, so 2, 3, putting in equation number 3, there is no x, so that remains same, less than 0. If second derivative is less than 0, it means that this implies that f has relative maximum. So putting this x is equal to 15 in these two equations one by one, x and y, so that is 15 and 15 will be the, he is asking that find the numbers, positive integers. So from equation, now putting x is equal to 15 in equation number 1, so we get y is equal to 30 minus 15, that is 15. Hence 15 and 15 are two positive integers. So this is a way to find the numbers. First of all, it is given that two positive integers, so x and y, we are supposing two positive integers. Condition is given that sum of these two numbers is 30, so x plus y is equal to 30. Next he is saying that their product is maximum, will be maximum. So product xy, we are supposing that it is a function, so putting the value of y from this, differentiate 2 times, take the first derivative is equal to 0 for critical point, and that is x is equal to 15. Putting this x is equal to 15 in second derivative, check whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0. If it is less than 0, it means that it has relative maxima. If it is greater than 0, relative minima. So it is proved that it has a relative maxima. It is given also in the question. So putting x is equal to 15 in this, so one value is 15, the other value we can get from here. So this is what the question is and how it is solved. Now I solved question number 4. The perimeter of a triangle is 16 centimeters. If one side is of length 6 centimeter, what are the lengths of the other sides for maximum area of the triangle? He is saying that the perimeter of a triangle is 16 centimeter. If one side is of length is 6 centimeter, means let first side is x, second side is given, second side is 6 centimeter or meter, and third side, what will be the third side? Third side is that total perimeter is 16, one side is x, other side is 6, so that is 10 minus x. So x, 6 and 10 minus x are 3 sides of a triangle. These are the 3 sides of a triangle. He is saying that what are the lengths of the other side for maximum area of a triangle. For area, when 3 sides are given, what is the formula to find the area? First of all, we must know S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and A is equal to, here A is equal to x, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 10 minus x. So putting here x plus 6 plus 10 minus x divided by 2, that is means 16 by 2, 8. Now s square is equal to what? S into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Putting the values, we have 8, 8 minus x, 8 minus 6 and 8 minus 10 plus x. This is what it is. So here 16, 8 minus x minus 2 plus x, or x minus 2. So what is the answer here? 16 into 8x minus 16 minus x square plus 2x, that is 16 into minus x square plus 10x minus 16. This is the value of s square. To simplify this value, f is equal to s square, that is 16 into minus x square plus 10x minus 16. We take s square as f. So differentiate, f prime is equal to 16 into minus 2x plus 10, that is, and second derivative 16 into minus 2, that is minus 32. Put first derivative is equal to, that is 16 into minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 5. So second derivative less than 0. This implies that f has relative maxima. If one value of x is equal to 5, the other value, other sides, we can find the other side x is 5. So here also 5. So 5, 6 and 5. These are the three sides. Now first side is equal to x, that is 5 centimeter. Second side, that is 6 centimeter given. Third side, that is 10 minus x, 10 minus 5, 5 centimeter. So these are the three sides which are here, and how it is possible to find. ये हमने फाइंड कर लिया है, इसमें अब प्रॉब्लम है तो देख लो आप, कोई है तो you may discuss. Now I try to solve question number 7. In question number 7, he is saying a box with a square base. So base is square. It means its length and width are same. And open top is to have a volume of 4 cubic decimeter. Find the dimension of the box which will require the least material. So here let length is equal to width, that is equal to x, and height is equal to y. So what he is saying in the question that volume is 4 cubic decimeter. So volume is equal to, what is the formula of volume? Height into width into length, means width, length and height, x square h, and this 4 is equal to x square h. It means h is equal to 4 divided by x square. Now S be the surface area. So S is equal to, what is that? X square plus 4xy. Sorry, we are doing y. So here instead of y we put the value here, x square plus 4x into 4 by x square, or x square plus 16 x power minus 1. This is value of S. Differentiate with respect to x. So ds by dx is equal to 2x plus minus 16 x power minus 2. Second derivative, plus 32 x power minus 3. Now putting first derivative is equal to 0. So from here 2x minus 16 x power minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that 2x minus 16 divided by x square is equal to 0, or 2x cube minus 16 is equal to 0. This implies that 2x or x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. X cube is equal to 8 implies x is equal to 2. Putting x is equal to 2 in equation number 3, so 2 plus 32 2 plus 32 into 1 over 8, so that is 6, which is less than 0. So it has relative, minima. Now putting x is equal to 2 in this, so we can find the value of y also. Putting x is equal to 2 in equation number 1, so y is equal to 4, 2 square, that is 1. So he is asking about the dimensions. So these dimensions we have, one is 4, the other is one is 2, the other is also 2. Length, width, both are 2, and height, that is y is equal to 1. Height we are getting from here, 4 over x square. So this is the way to find the dimensions of a box when we need the least material. So उसने मिनिमम के हवाले से बात की है, तो मिनिमम गिवन भी है, ना भी गिवन हो तो यहाँ से हमने फाइंड कर लिया है कि इट हैज़ अ रिलेटिव मिनिमा. तो यहाँ से एक चीज़ होगी प्रूव हुई है. और सेकेंडली जो वैल्यूज़ हमने फाइंड की हैं, x की वैल्यू ये आ रही है, तो x विड्थ भी है और लेंथ भी है. और हाइट के लिए हमारे पास ये है y इज इक्वल टू 4 ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर, तो उसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दी तो हमारे पास जाएगा. आप y को h भी सपोज कर लो हाइट के वाले से, डजेंट मैटर. वाइट आई हैव टेकन विद द x y एक्सिस, अदरवाइज यू मे टेक इट एज h, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, सेम थिंग. सो दिस इज़ द वे हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. अगर आपके पास कंडीशन बन जाती है तो आगे तो वही मेथड है जो आप सिंपल सॉल्व करते हो, उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, इसको ट्राई करो सॉल्व करने की. इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम सो contact me, I will try to solve your problems.